morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Maligayang pagbati sa inyo. I hope that you are safe and sound. And I am your teacher, Mark R. Clarabal. And I am handling electronic products assembly and servicing NC2 or EPAS, grade 11. Okay, so ayan, pasensya na guys dahil ngayon lang ako nakapag-record uli ng video for some circumstances. So ngayong umaga or ngayong hapon or ngayong gabi, I will be presenting to you your eLAS, which is I will be uploading today after this recording this video. I will upload in our GC. So I will just give you an overview and how to use it. So this is very friendly guys, so napakadaling gamitin using your mobile phone, your tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So you can download this na lang later in our GC. So napakaliit lang naman yung size nito. It's 3,331 kilobyte or KB. So you can use this offline. Once na nagkaroon ka lang ng internet, kahit 1 MB, madadownload mo na itong eLAS natin sa EPAS. So, ayun. So, ito yung pagka-open nyo ng eLAS, download nyo lang siya. Using your mobile phone. Yan yung pinaka-available sa inyo. So, PDF file siya. Okay, so yung main page or first page, ito yung makikita nyo na title. Then just click here to continue. So after clicking the continue, you will see the table of contents. Okay. So, ayan, from background information for learners up to activity number 7. Then, if you will click next, will the continuation of the table of contents from activity 8 up to writer. So, ito yung buong content ng EPAS for the quarter 1. Okay, so let's click back. Okay, for example, I will click background information for learners for the page 1. Okay, so ayun, mapupunta kayo sa background information for learners. So what is soldering? Then nandyan na yung background information about soldering. Yan, mababasa dyan. Soldering is a process in which two or more metal items are joined together by melting and flowing filler metal solder into the joint. So, nandyan na lahat. Then, click next for the continuation. Then, after that, you will see the learning outcome, prepare to assemble electronic products, and learning outcomes 1.1, and the code. And then after that, you will see here, if you have internet, please visit tinyurl. If you want to view the video presentation about this, no, you want to hear also, just click tinyurl yy63mskw. So, ayun. May link siya. Then it will redirect you to this. If you have internet only.
Manage work like this. That's why I use Lindy.com. My team uses it to manage.
You have internet.
Lesson 8. Assembling electronic products. Content.
So yan ang makikita nyo. may
a
10
risk
minutes,
assessment
33
mechanism,
seconds video siya.
use of protective equipment, and loading electronics code, PC, materials, tools, and equipment, design specification, core competency.
Okay, then just click next. LO4, LO5. Yun lang. Then, ayan, we have directions or instructions here. Sabi dito, read the following information and familiarize the process of the proper soldering techniques. Also answer the written activities, answer guide questions, perform performance activities, and reflections to validate your learning. Write your answer in your EPAS notebook or separate answer sheet. Please connect or communicate to your teacher online or cell phone for assistance, guidance, and support. So if you have internet, you can access or watch the video of the lesson in the link below. So this lesson also have a video. So complete video, if you have internet, anytime, pwede nyo lang i-visit tong tinyurl.com /y5n8ctz9. So let's test, let's check. So ito yung video niya, the lesson. Yan. Advance ko na, panoorin nyo na lang. So may quiz din dyan. Yan. So ayun, may video na rin siya. So next. Or pwede rin kayong dumiretso sa table of contents. Yan. For example, natapos nyo na yun, diretso na kayo sa ayan, sample answer key. So when you answer, always follow this format. Your name, your grade and section, date accomplished, then EPAS NC2. Then of course the activity number and the title. Then your answers. Then at the end of the answers, what lesson have I learned this topic? Anong aralin ang aking natutunan sa paksa na ito? So ayun, then ilagay nyo lang dyan yung signature nyo, then signature of your parents. So next tayo. So nandyan na yung mga mga activities. Arrange jumble letters. So may directions dyan, always read the direction. So may activity number 2 rin tayo, mga safety precautions, fill in the blank. Yan. So always read the directions. So isi-select nyo lang dito yung mga sagot nyo sa blanco. Nakalagay sa box. Okay, next. 10 items. The same lang din. Okay. So ayun, click nyo lang kung saan na yung mga activity. For example, natapos nyo na itong 4. So, nag-stop kayo doon. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-next pa. So, gagawin mo na lang pag susunod na gagawa ka ng activity using your eLAS. So, diretso ka na. I-click mo na lang itong activity number 6. For example, nasa activity number 6 ka na. So, diretso na. So, table of contents 2. Ito na. Example, nasa guide questions ka na. Click mo lang yan. Next. Rubric. Then reflection. So, ganun lang gamitin to. Napaka user-friendly. I-click nyo lang itong mga to. Then dadaling ko yun sa page na hinahanap nyo or activity na hinahanap nyo. So, ganun lang guys. Tapos, dito sa activity challenge, ito yung pinaka last, parang pinaka performance task. Ito yung pinaka performance task nyo, activity challenge, which is I will be requiring you 3 outputs. Okay? So, using different electronic components and scraps, apply the proper soldering technique and its quality standards and the safety precautions. Make at least 3 outputs from the examples given below. Please refer to the demonstration skill rubric for your grading reference. Note, make a simple video using your smartphone or camera during the process on creating artwork made out of scrap electronic components. The video will serve as your written output. Please refer to the video presentation rubrics for your grading reference. So, dito sa activity na to or dito sa lesson na to, ang ini-enhance natin sa inyo or ang tinuturo ko dito sa inyo is about the soldering. So, what I am requiring you is to create arts made out of scraps only. But if you have an extra budget and you cannot find, wala kayong mahanap na scrap materials o yung tipong basura na mga sirang appliance or mga sirang components, it's okay. But if you don't have extra money to buy those components, so yung scraps lang. Ang importante dito, makita ko yung enhancement nung paano kayo mag-solder. Ang dine-develop kasi natin dito is yung pulso nyo. Yung pulso nyo, kailangan masanay sa paghawak ng soldering iron, solder, saka yung mga components kung paano sila pagdikitin. Kumbaga ito parang welding siya na maliit. Yan. Parang andaling tignan pero napakahirap. It takes a lot of time and practice for you to develop these skills. So it's okay to use scrap materials kasi for sure yan, magkakamali ka at marami kang pagkakamali dyan sa pagsasolder hanggang sa yung pulso mo masanay or yung kamay mo masanay sa paghawak ng soldering iron at pagdikitin yung mga electronic components. So yung mga tipong basura na, yun lang ang gamitin nyo para hindi na kayo gumastos. Okay? So maghanap lang kayo ng mga localized materials dyan, yung mga patapon na, hindi na ginagamit. So kahit na masira nyo yun, talagang sira naman na. So walang magiging problema. So may mga picture dito, tignan nyo na lang yung mga examples, but it's much better na mag-create kayo ng sarili nyong mga design. So tingin pa tayo ng mga examples ito. Yung mga examples. Yung mga pwede nyong kuhanan ng idea, mga output ninyo. Parang napakadaling tignan na simple pero pag ginawa yan, hindi siya ganun kadali. Lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners. Next. Mga ganyan. So, napaka-importante itong skill na to na marunong kayong mag-solder muna pansamantala sa mga scrap materials. Dahil pag diniretso natin sa mga working materials na working components, electronic components, there is a big tendency na magkamali ka or masira pag hindi ka talaga fully skilled. At ang tendency nun, pag nasira mo, of course, gagastos ka ng gagastos, bibili ka na naman ng bibili ng bago. So, it's much better ngayon na i-master nyo muna yung proper soldering technique. So, yun ang pinaka-objective natin dito. Ma-master nyo yung proper soldering technique. So, ito yung mga examples. Hanap na lang kayo any component na mga galing sa mga appliances. So, ayan, balik tayo sa table of contents 2. May rubric dyan, paano kayo i-scorean. Of course, the content, the layout and design. This is your video presentation, ha? Video presentation. Then, technical elements, creativity, elements of the design. Yun. So, para kayong vlogger dito. You can upload the video in YouTube or you can send in our GC or you can PM me the video. So, yun yung pinaka-examination nyo sa akin this first quarter. At least three outputs. So, ito naman yung activity challenge performance task rubric. So, yung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo, yung video yon. Okay, iba na naman to. Ito yung content na. Okay? So, yung content, kailangan may apply nyo dyan yung occupational health and safety. So, pag dinemonstrate nyo lahat at nakita kong nagsuot kayo ng mga PPE, tama yung mga procedure nyo, based dun sa activities and dun sa video na nagde-demo ako, gayahin nyo lang yan. So, nandyan yung mga PPN tools, yung creativity and originality nyo, napaka-importante rin yan. So, kung yung gawa nyo is talagang unique, makakakuha ng perfect score dyan. Then, craftsmanship or skill, dyan, the artwork shows good craftsmanship with some attention to detail. Ibig sabihin, great. Okay, so makikita ko kung gaano kapulido yung artwork na ginawa nyo using scrap material, electronic components, scrap materials or components, and yung pagsasolder nyo, i-check ko. So, makikita lahat yan sa activities and dun sa video na in-upload ko in our GC. Kung ano yung mga proper shape ng mga na-solder. Okay? So, ayun. Yun guys, ang ating eLAS. So, after magawa ko tong video, i-edit ko lang ng konti. Isasamahin ko tong video na isasalita ko at saka tong pinapakita ko sa screen. And then after this, i-upload ko na. So, I hope magawa nyo on time. Okay? So, if you have queries, questions, pwede nyo akong i-message lang sa ating GC or you can PM me or text me in 0926 107 8441. Okay guys, so ayun. Again, good day, stay safe, and God bless you all.